Mabuhay, I'm Princess Dara Dalig and I'll tackle about internal supply chain management. Internal supply chain management is a macro process aims to fulfill demand generated by the customer relation management process in a timely manner. With the lowest possible cost, ISCM is a macro process that is associated with the supply chain. It refers to the chain of the activities within a firm that finally ends with the fulfilling the customer's demands. Advantages of internal supply chain management. Number 1, cost efficiency. By effective management of the internal supply chain, organizations can optimize their operations, minimize waste, and reduce costs. This includes streamlining processes, eliminating unnecessary steps, and improving resources allocation, leading to cost savings and improved profitability. Number 2, improve coordination. Internal supply chain management facilitates better coordination and collaboration among different departments within an organization. It ensures that all teams involved in the supply chain, such as procurement, production, logistics, and distribution, work together seamlessly, resulting in smoother operations and faster response time.
Mabuhay! I'm Aliyah Hannah Ronquillo and I will continue discussing about the advantages of internal supply chain management. The number 3 is the quality control. Internal supply chain management enables organizations to have a greater control over the quality of their product or services. By closely monitoring and managing the supply chain processes, organizations can implement quality control measures, identify and address the potential issues early on, and ensure consistency, product, service quality throughout the value chain. Number 4, faster time to market. Efficient internal supply chain management enables organizations to bring back their product or services to the market more quickly. By streamlining process, reducing lead times, and enhancing coordination, organizations can accelerate their entire product development and delivery cycle, gaining their competitive edge in the marketplace. Number 5, data-driven decision making. With robust internal supply chain management systems in place, organizations can gather and analyze data throughout the supply chain. This data-driven approach allows for better decision-making, optimizing of process, and identification of areas for improvement. That's all for the topic of internal supply chain management. Thank you and mabuhay!